That is our drained sweet potatoes and our 9 by 13, and we're gonna kind of break this up. I'm just using my meat masher, and we just need a nice thin layer of our sweet potato yams. All right, that looks good. We're gonna grab our spatula and get all of that delicious mashness into our pan, just like so. We don't want any to go to waste. We're gonna season this with some cinnamon. Perfect. And some nutmeg. You can season this however you like. This is just how I like it. And once we have our seasonings in there, we're gonna come back with our spatula and we're gonna kind of mix this all together. All right, that looks like that is good enough. Now I'm gonna come in with my pecan pieces and we're gonna use about half a cup, and we're just sprinkling that right on top for a nice little crunch factor. I mean, those sweet potatoes are so soft. We need something to give this some texture. All right, I might have used a little bit more than half a cup. All right, now for the best part, we have our butter pecan cake mix, and we're sprinkling that right on top of our sweet potatoes and our pecans. Now you can use a yellow cake mix, a white cake mix, or even a chocolate cake mix if you want like some fun flavors going on. But I really love pecans and yams / sweet potatoes together, so that's why I went for the buttery pecan. I'm gonna grab my little rubber spatula and we're just going to spread this edge to edge just like how we did with our yams, making this a nice thin layer. We are not mixing this in. This is a layer and bake kind of dish, my favorite kind because they're so easy to put together. You don't need, any arm muscle. Those yams are super soft if you get them canned. So let's go ahead and get this nice and flat. All right, beautiful. Now I'm gonna come in with my butter, and I did already slice my butter into pats, and you guys know the drill. We are placing our butter pats right on top of that uncooked cake mix. This is gonna create the crust for this delicious sweet potato dessert. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so sweet, so yummy. It's absolutely such a great dessert for the holidays, which is why I'm baking it up today. I cannot wait to share this with my family. They are going to be obsessed. So let's go ahead and put our butter on here. We're gonna use about 1.5 sticks. All right, last little piece right there, and this is ready. My oven is set to 370, and this is gonna bake for about 45 minutes. Oh my, this looks so good, and it smells absolutely incredible. It is time to dig into this. Our sweet potato cobbler is gonna be absolutely incredible. Make sure to get those sides loosened up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. And then of course, you cannot eat this without some Reddi-wip, and the dogs are gonna bark at this, so just be prepared. Right on cue. All right, let's give this a try. It's gonna be sweet and delicious. Oh, so steamy.
Is it good?
I mean, it's amazing. Oh my goodness. So sweet. And those pecans, a little crunch. You guys are gonna love this.